Find or read reviews that people are talking about Fanttik NB10 Flip Portable Pressure Washer Gun. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features: foldable and cordless grip design. The Fanttik NB10 Flip features a foldable handle design, offering cordless portability and easy storage. It allows for effortless and flexible operation, making it an ideal choice for quick deployment in cleaning tasks. One-touch switching among 3 cleaning modes. Equipped with a 100 watts 550 brushed motor, it offers 3 pressure modes with one-touch switching. Eco, 100 psi, Reg, 130 psi, Max, 150 psi easily tackle diverse cleaning needs such as household cleaning, camping maintenance, and vehicle washing. Multi-scenario adaptability. Compatible with cola bottles, faucets, with hose reel, buckets, and soap foams for versatile usage. Ideal for quick cleaning tasks like spot car washing, window rinsing, and indoor household cleaning. Cordless design with Type-C charging. Powered by a built-in 2500 mAh high-energy density lithium battery, it provides 13 to 30 minutes of runtime, enabling convenient and unrestricted cleaning anytime, anywhere. 5-in-1 integrated nozzle. Fanttik NB10 Flip Portable Pressure Washer Gun offers 5 spray modes. Simply rotating the nozzle allows for easy adjustment between modes to suit different cleaning scenarios, enhancing cleaning efficiency and delivering a superior, hassle-free experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.